All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. So today we are going to be looking at something new. As you can see, we are on our Binance menu and we want to take advantage of an airdrop. So a lot of people have been going into airdrops, but then they really do not know which is good. So Binance has offered airdrops that we need to take advantage of. So as you can see at the top of your screen, a lot of things are changing. These are opportunities on Binance. So I talked about it in our previous videos. So today we'll be looking at the ADA, SHIB and NBN airdrop, which is up to $75,000 to be shared. And Binance is launching an airdrop activity with up to 75,000 USD in ADA, SHIB and BNB to be won. So the promotion period begins from the 23rd of July 2021 to the 6th of August 2021. So you should take advantage of it. So users who complete all of the tasks below will be eligible to share the airdrop prize pool. So these are the conditions involved. Make a fiat deposit or purchase or crypto purchase. So the first condition, you make a deposit of at least $50 or equivalent in local currencies, or make a successful crypto purchase of at least $50 or equivalent in local currency via buy crypto, that is using your credit or debit card. So I did a video on how to buy cryptocurrency using your credit or debit card. The link will be placed in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, endeavor to do so you can get updates. So submit your Binance ID into this form to identify your participation. So for you to actually acknowledge that you want to participate in this program, you need to submit your Binance ID to this form. We'll go to it. So the airdrop prize pool tie mechanics is that depending on the number of eligible users in the promotion, we will unlock a new tie level and increase the amount of airdrop prize pool accordingly. So as long as people keep increasing, Binance keeps increasing too. So when the total number of eligible users reaches 30,000, the total value of the prize pool will increase to $75,000. Now these are the ties at the various levels. So we have the minimum total number of eligible users, we have the total amount of airdrop prize pool to be shared. So for Taiwan, the eligible users needs to be 1,000, and at the level of 1,000, this coin is worth $2,000. That is the ADA, the SHIB and the BNB coins worth $2,000 will be shared. And when the eligible users reach 3,000, coins worth $6,000 will be shared. When the eligible users reach 10,000, coins worth $25,000 will be shared. When the users reach 20,000, coins worth $40,000 will be shared. And once the users reach 30,000, coins worth $75,000 will be shared. They say airdrop reward for each eligible participant will be calculated through the following formula. So this is the criteria for calculation. It said the airdrop reward for each user is equal to individual participants' deposit and purchase amount during the promotion. So your deposit or your purchase during the promotion, or total promotion deposit and purchase amount multiplied by the price pool reach. So this is a simple explanation. The Binance will do the calculation on your behalf, so you have little or nothing to worry about. So for you to get started, these are other sites that you can actually go to, like how to complete ID verification. You need to be a verified member. How to buy cryptocurrency with credit card. How to buy with debit card on the website. So and so on. So you also have the bonus promotions like zero card fee to deposit rule and zero card fees to deposit and withdraw euro and so on. So they have their ending dates as well. And then we also have the terms and conditions that you can go through, as well as the distribution conditions as well. So that is it. So let's quickly look at the form. Let's quickly look at the form to see how it looks like. So once you buy using your card, to participate for the program, you need to fill in the form. So we simply click on form. Alright, so that is it. ADA, SHIB and BNB airdrop. So Binance is launching a ADA, SHIB and BNB airdrop activity for users. The promotion will have multiple milestones and price pool along the way, depending on the eligible number of users that participate in the promotion. We will unlock a new tier level and increase the amount of the airdrop price pool accordingly. So we explained that on the table already. So the more people get on board, the more Binance keep increasing the rewards. How to participate in promotion? You say make a crypto purchase or make a deposit worth $50. We have seen that. Confirm participation via the form. Confirm participation via this form. So this is the form we are on now. So share this campaign with your friends on social media to increase the number of users who participate. So to make it more public, share with friends so they get the awareness. The more friends and Binanceans that join, the higher the price pool. So as more people keep joining, it keeps moving from one level to another, and that is how the rewards also keep increasing. So the promotion period is from the 23rd of July to the 6th of August. So now this is where you paste your Binance ID. So you have to copy it and paste it here. If you don't know how to get it, I'll quickly show you before the end of the video. And also I say please tick which criteria have you fulfilled. The first criteria says I have deposited at least $50 or equivalent in local currency. So if that is what you have done, you tick. Or I have made a crypto purchase of at least $50 or equivalent in local currency via credit/debit card. So if you have actually bought through your credit or debit card, you click on it. Like I said, I've done a video on this already, and the link will be placed on the description. So if you don't know how to go about it, you can actually watch and follow through. Alright, so once you have clicked, the next thing is to submit. So quickly let's look at how to get the ID, the Binance ID, to paste it here. So let's go back. So still on the menu, on the home of Binance, at the top of your screen, left hand side, there is a head there. You simply click on the head. So you can see there are a whole lot of options. I've explained all this in previous videos. So just click on my referral ID. You click on it. So now this is it. This is your ID. This is your ID, default referral ID. So beside the figures, you just click on copy it. Okay, so once you copy it, you move to the form, you paste it there, and then you tick whether you bought using a card or the other means, and then you submit. That is how to participate. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, click on the like, share, comment on how we can improve, or if there is something new that you want to learn, we are willing to help you. Thank you once more.